Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something really cool. Making a 360-degree VR movie in Unity. If you've ever wanted to create immersive VR experiences, you're in the right place, so let's get started. Open Unity Hub and create a new project. Choose 3D Core or URP if you want better rendering. Name your project 360 VR and click Create. Install and import a VR camera package. Go to Window, Package Manager, search for XR Plugin Management, and install it. Enable 360-degree rendering by setting up the Skybox and lighting settings. Create new Skybox material and set it to panoramic type. We need to set panoramic HDR image into the texture field. Create new textures folder. I got HDR images from previous tutorial, but it's square aspect ratio. We will temporarily use this HDR texture for the Skybox. Select Skybox material and assign the HDR texture into it. Now set the Skybox material to environment. Delete the default main camera. Go to Game Object, Camera and create a new camera. Go to Assets, Create, Render Texture, and set it to 4096 x 2048 for high resolution. Assign this texture to the camera's target texture field. Install the Unity Recorder from Package Manager to capture 360-degree videos. Open Window, General, Recorder, Recorder window. Add a new movie recorder. Set output format to MP4 and resolution to 4K or higher. Set input source to render texture asset. Click Start Recording to begin capturing your VR movie. Cool, we've done setup camera and recorder. Now, let's update panoramic HDR texture and 3D environment. The panoramic style need 2:1 aspect ratio image. Let's search on Google and download a free one. Okay, let's choose this HDR image. Now, import it to Unity and replace the old one. Remember to set shape to cube. and increase max size to 4K. We now able to set panoramic texture to Skybox. Change Skybox shader to panoramic. However, panoramic shader only accept 2D texture. So select the new texture and change it back to 2D. We now able to set panoramic texture to Skybox. Cool, let's test record few seconds. Looking good. Now that we have the camera set up, let's add some cool environments. Use Unity's Asset Store to find 360 friendly environments, or import your own. Okay, I've imported some cool assets from the package. Let's test the record again. Very nice, but the camera is not moving. For moving the camera while recording, follow my steps below. Go to Asset Store and download Free Fly Camera Asset. Open Package Manager and install it. Attach their script into the render camera. With this new asset, we able to control the camera in game mode. So let's add another camera to display the game view. Let's play to test. I can use normal navigation keys to move the camera. Perfect. Let's add another platform under this platform to simulate the falling effect. Perfect. Now, everything is ready. Open the record window and start recording. Moving the camera in the game view. Simulate the falling effect. you can press shift for moving faster. Finally, export your 360-degree VR movie, so you can share it with the world. Upload the video to YouTube, Meta Quest, or use a VR player like WellaGig to view it. And that's it. You've just created your very own 360-degree VR movie in Unity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome Unity and game dev content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!